Wood is versatile as wooden furniture can fit in any home aesthetic. Whether you want a rustic look or other aesthetic, you can get it in wood. Rustic cherry or rustic walnut works perfectly for a home going for a rustic look. Among the different rustic furniture pieces, a well-placed rustic chair is a wonderful rustic accent to any home. If you are not into rustic look and would rather go for modernist looks, you can still get it in wood. For modernists, natural walnut fits in well with a white, minimalist style. The wood's natural darker color and airy feel will blend right in. You can also mix different styles when you feel like it. If you are wondering what type of items you can use, we have collected some wood furniture and wood decorative pieces ideas for you. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of wood furniture and wood decorative pieces ideas for your interior design and home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post wood-made furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Wood furniture could be modified to meet your requirements. Modifying wooden furniture to fit your needs can be easy. Sanding, painting, and staining are processes that can give an ancient piece of furniture a new look to fit the perpetually changing style of your home. If the look of your wooden furniture doesn't fit the aesthetic of your new room anymore, you can very easily modify it. A quick sanding will get your wood back to its original state. From there you can modify its look as you wish. With other materials, you are stuck with what you got. Wood responds well to alterations. If you're someone who is frequently redecorating or shifting the styling of a home or room, wooden furniture is the right choice for you. Wooden furniture grants you a kind of subtle versatility that no other kind of furniture can. With metal and plastic, you have to rely on different kinds of paint or colored material to match the look you're going for. This means either buying a painted piece already and sticking with that color for the room, or doing the painting yourself. Wood, on the other hand, retains its relevance within a home in any room. Wood furniture can be especially effective in a city apartment or cramped loft. Few things can bring nature back into a tiny urban space like a piece of expertly crafted wood furniture. There is no absolute similarity among wooden pieces. Each piece of wood is slightly different. Even if wooden furniture is made the same way, with the same type of material, there will be subtle differences. You will notice the differences in beautifully grained woods. The slight variations in the thickness and direction of each grain really pop when seen together. There's a reason wood carving has been around since the dawn of man. A craftsman has much more freedom when working with wood than any other material. While a machine can only do so much with plastic or metal, an artisan is presented infinite possibilities with solid wood. Solid wood is malleable in the hands of someone who knows what they are doing. Another saying which expresses the feature of wood. In addition to its durability, wood furniture is also easy to maintain as it only simple cleaning from time to time. Cleaning wood is usually as simple as regularly dusting. Spills and other sticky messes can be cleaned with a wet microfiber cloth. With other materials, such as iron furniture, you will always have to worry about eventual rust if you're not constantly vigilant. If you treat your wood well, you will never have to worry about maintenance past the occasional dusting. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wood decorative pieces ideas for your interior design and home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.